Good morning, it's Nola. I have a kit here to show you. I've been just trying to put it together. I suppose you can hear my rooster in the background there. Actually, we have a couple of them, I think. No, only one now. And he's noisy enough. This is a sleeve, but I'm going with this beautiful piece right here. Isn't that gorgeous? Anyway, so I'm putting in this little bundle of Sari fabric just for fun because I have a bunch and I want everything gone. Okay, we have this piece of sari to go in there, and this is double piece of green with little tiny red dots in it. I'll cut the threads off of this. So that goes in there. We've got some mauve with fibers, so that's kind of a fun thing to add to anything. Then I have this piece with the very close red that's in this one. And then we have this little piece of, it looks like leather, but it isn't. It's just a little piece. And then we have this piece here. It's almost the same color as some of the red in that. This little piece here. We have this one with lots of gold in it. And this one is sort of brick looking. It's kind of interesting. And this one, the blue is very similar to the one that's in there, and I just thought it was fun to put it in. We have this piece of pumpkin. Doesn't look as looks yellower there, but it's orangier than it appears on there. And then this one here. And this one, it's kind of fun, brown with gold sparkle all through it. And this one is black with gold. I like this side better, but it doesn't show up the same on there as it does in person. Then we have this one, which is just a light peach, and then it's got some brown bits in it. Nice piece for blending. This piece of trim off of a sari. Here is another piece of trim, but it's got the pleats in it, and it's darker blue than it's showing up on there, but very pretty. Then we have this piece of trim or of fabric with very many of the same colors in it. Quite a nice big piece for you to play with. Then there is this piece of trim. That's quite a big one. We have this piece. The yellow and the brown is very similar to what's in that. And then we have this one, which I love. I think this one is amazing. And we have some purple. This looks blue, but it's very purple. Very, 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 very purple. Then we have this lovely piece of white with gold. Then I have put in this bundle of fibers. This red one, we've got some eyelash fiber. We've got some orange, very thick kind of, and brown in there. And then some of this green fuzzy stuff. So that's kind of fun to also have in your kit. And then we have some dangle that goes in there. And I put in some flowers. And another piece of trim. Very pretty with the orange in it. I put in some of this yarn that has some of those colors in it. Then a piece of light purple. It's blue again on there, but it's purple lace. Then we have this lace with sparkles. It's gorgeous. It's quite a bit of green and blue on it. This yummy piece of trim with the glass little shapes, and then the beading. This piece of red and gold trim. A piece of blue lace. It's quite a bit darker than it's showing on there. Another piece of blue silk with a little gold in it. A little rose. Somebody had made these. I picked them up at the senior store, and they have the little peel-off tags and everything in the back. And then I have this lovely big piece of blue and peach gorgeous lace to go in there. All right, so that is the kit, and it will be number 60, and it will be $23. So let me know if you're interested. There's only one. So thanks for watching, folks, and if you want something put together in a particular color, just ask me and I'll see if I can do it for you. Okay, folks, have a wonderful day. Bye for now.